Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can open up your locked folder on Google Photos. So let's get right into it. Now, what Google Photos is, it's basically a cloud storage for pictures and videos made by Google. It is directly connected to your Google account, meaning it shares storage with Google Drive and other similar services. And it is very useful. You can also, aside from storing and backing up your pictures, you can also edit them however you'd like, add filters, skew them, change their orientation, and so on and so forth. There are a lot of options that you can do. You can also access the locked folder. I am not 100% sure or certain what the locked folder is. I think it's just a private folder for yourself, which nobody can access. And yeah, that's pretty much it. There are two ways to access it. The first is, of course, through PC, which I'm using now. The second is with mobile phones, such as Android. On Android, what you want to do is locate the Utilities tab. Once you locate that, you enter it and scroll all the way down, I think, and you'll find the locked folder. Or if not, way at the bottom, you'll just find it somewhere in Utilities. So just pay attention and open up the locked folder from there. You will need to log in again to your Google account, so it's just a security measure, and I'll show you what that looks like now. If you're on PC, right here at the left sort of tab, just go into locked folder and it will open. Once you're here, just enter your password again, and once you do, you'll be able to enter your locked folder, which looks something like this. And yeah, you can just move items here. In the locked folder, items are hidden and won't show up when you scroll through Google Photos or in other apps. And that is pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed. I'll be seeing you next time.